Hello friends, welcome to Sana's Kitchen. I am Ritvika. Today let us see how to prepare onion samosa. Half cup wheat flour, 1/4 cup maida, required salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Add water little by little and knead the dough until you get a soft dough. Grease oil on the dough. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Take a small portion from the dough. Roll it very thin. Using a knife, cut rectangle shape. Remove the excess part. Level the edges. Samosa sheet is ready. Place the samosa sheet on the tawa. Toast it for 10 seconds on both the sides. Samosa sheet is ready. Heat 1 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds, finely chopped onion 1, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt as required. Saute till onion turns soft. Pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chicken masala. Saute till raw smell goes off. Stuffing is ready. Prepare maida paste. Take one samosa sheet. Apply maida paste on one end of the sheet. Fold the sheet. I am preparing a simple onion samosa. You can also add vegetables if you like. Now stuff the onion mixture. Apply maida paste well so that the stuffing won't come out. Samosas are ready for frying. Heat oil. Drop the samosa. Fry in medium flame. Stir occasionally. Fry till the samosa turn to golden brown in color. Samosa is ready. Remove it out from oil. Crispy and tasty onion samosa is ready. It's a perfect evening snack. You can have it with tomato sauce. If you like the recipe, subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.